Balanced 7-day meal plan for teens to fuel your growth, brain, and energy. Teen Nutrition Overview. Teens aged 14 to 17 need 1,800 to 2,800 calories daily based on activity. Aim for 55 to 75 grams of protein with lean meats, whole grains, healthy fats, fruits, and veggies. Key nutrients for teens: iron from lean beef, spinach, and beans, calcium from milk, yogurt, and cheese, omega-3s from salmon and chia seeds. Portion guide: protein 4 to 6 ounces per meal, grains 1 to 1.5 cups, vegetables half the plate, healthy fats 1 to 2 tablespoons, water 6 to 8 plus cups daily. 7-day meal plan highlights. Each day includes balanced breakfast, snacks, lunch, and dinner focusing on variety and nutrition. Monday meal plan: breakfast scrambled eggs, whole grain toast, avocado, orange, and milk. Snack Greek yogurt with berries and chia. Dinner baked salmon with brown rice and steamed broccoli. Tuesday meal plan: breakfast oatmeal with banana and peanut butter and milk. Snack hard-boiled eggs. Dinner lean beef stir-fry with quinoa and mixed vegetables. Wednesday meal plan: breakfast Greek yogurt parfait with granola and fruit and almonds. Snack apple with peanut butter. Dinner whole wheat pasta with turkey meatballs and side salad. Thursday meal plan: breakfast smoothie bowl with berries, banana, protein yogurt, and toast. Snack cottage cheese with pineapple. Dinner grilled chicken with sweet potato and green beans. Friday meal plan: breakfast whole grain pancakes, eggs, and fresh fruit. Snack trail mix. Dinner homemade whole wheat pizza with side vegetables. Saturday meal plan: breakfast omelet with spinach and cheese and whole grain toast. Snack protein smoothie. Dinner baked tilapia with brown rice and roasted carrots. Sunday meal plan: breakfast oatmeal with berries and almonds. Snack yogurt. Dinner lean steak or tofu with quinoa and steamed broccoli. Healthy weight support tips. Don't skip breakfast. Eat every 3 to 4 hours. Limit sugary drinks. Sleep 8 to 10 hours. Strength train 2 to 3 times per week. Avoid extreme dieting. Eating balanced meals with protein, whole grains, healthy fats, and vegetables supports teen growth and energy. Stay hydrated and maintain good habits for a healthy lifestyle. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more health and lifestyle tips. Comment below with your favorite teen-friendly meals.